In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone blocked you on xcom, also known as Twitter, using your PC. This is a really simple check, and it can help you understand what's going on when a profile suddenly disappears, posts stop appearing, or you can't interact with someone anymore. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to x.com or Twitter. Once you're on the platform, use the search bar at the top and type in the person's exact username. Make sure you enter it correctly because even a small typo can take you to the wrong account or show no results at all. After that, click on their profile if it appears in the search results. Now here's the important part. If you open their profile and see a message on the screen that says you have been blocked, that means they have blocked your account. This is the clearest sign that the person has restricted you from viewing or interacting with their profile. In some cases, you may also notice that you can no longer follow them, see their posts, or engage with their content. If the profile loads but shows a blocked message instead of their tweets, that confirms it. It's also worth remembering that if you can't find the account at all, that does not always mean you were blocked. The person may have changed their username, deactivated their account, or set their profile to private in a way that makes it harder to find. So the best method is to search for the exact username and check the profile directly. If the blocked message appears, then you know for sure. And that's it. Now you know how to check if someone blocked you on x.com or Twitter from your PC in just a few seconds. If this tutorial was useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.